Cool. What's up, my peeps? Looks like I am live. Let me make sure. I'm gonna share this out. I'm gonna tag a few folks on here. Yep, I'm live. Hope y'all are having a wonderful Wednesday. This is your boy Cedric Jenkins. I'm not a DJ, but I'm a connoisseur of music, so I just love music that set the tone. And right now, I'm in a tone to where I want to be able to share this feeling that I have with everyone else here. So give me a second here, and we're gonna get this knocked out. But I want to come on here and talk about what we've been seeing for the past couple of days, all right? And dealing with our president, all right? Now, if you followed me and you saw my live this morning, I talked about that presidential debate. I'm gonna talk about another subject, okay? And that's gonna be talking about these taxes or these tax returns of your president. But let me get the intro out of the way, and then we're going to get into it. For those who do not know me, my name is Cedric Jenkins, founder and creator of Your Money Matters. Your money matters because of the fact we get up each and every day to earn it. You have a God-given right to keep it, but it's my purpose, my passion, and my intent to come out here and share some resources for those who are looking for resources of how they can keep more of their money. It's easy to go after the money bag, but you got to understand somebody's already beating you to the money bag. Hence why you're not keeping majority of it as you should. So I want to help people work smarter, but not harder when it comes to earning income. There is a better way, and I'm going to show you that tonight. But let's talk about one of the better ways. I'm going to talk about two ways that you can make more money. The first thing is not overpay your taxes. Not to overpay your taxes. Yes, we all have to pay taxes, but we don't have to overpay our taxes. And most of us are overpaying their taxes. I was once that guy, six-figure income earner, was struggling financially. Now I wasn't homeless or anything like that, but majority of my money was getting some other people rich instead of me building my emergency fund, my retirement fund, things of that nature. All right. But that was because somebody was beating me to my money bag, and that is the tax man. Look at Donald Trump. Okay. Now, let's put our feelings aside because we know a lot of us do not like Donald Trump. And right now, but I'm here to prove a point. Donald Trump, in essence, has been reported that he only paid $750 in taxes in essence of 2 years. Okay? But he made millions of dollars. All right? He made millions of dollars. Now, he might have some erroneous or questionable deductions, but that's up to the IRS to deconflict that, or to have Donald Trump substantiate that. That's the onus on him. But he used he knew and used the tax laws to his advantage to pay less in taxes than you. I'm doing a Joe Biden. I'm talking to you as the American taxpayer, where you're paying more than your president, but you're making less than your president. Okay? That's because of the tax laws. Why was he able to pay less in taxes, still get a tax rebate, and still earn millions and millions of dollars? Because he was a business owner. All right, he was a business owner, and I preach here for at least 6 or 7 years that business ownership puts you in a different domain than the average taxpayer because of the tax laws. The tax laws will never be changed, y'all, because they benefit the business owners and the investors. They have no agenda to satisfy taxpayers. Listen to what I'm saying, y'all. The tax laws will always be what they are. We know who they are. They're always going to benefit the business owner and investors. So if we know that they'll never change the tax laws, why not put on a different jersey alongside of what you're already doing and become an entrepreneur? Tyler Perry said it best. He just hit billionaire status, and when he made millionaire, he said it this. He's been saying it all up along to now. Ownership opens the pathway to gaining and building wealth. You have to have ownership, because ownership allows you to keep more of your money that you're earning. All we're doing, you put on a different jersey just so you can play a different game. And all of us can do it, but most of us are not willing to, because we're closed-minded. And I don't mean to come harsh here, but we're closed-minded to a lot of things. All right. So not overpaying in taxes is one way to keep your money. But the meat to that is you have to become a business owner. You have to become a business owner. All right, because that gives you a leeway to deductions that you'll never see and get as a wage income earner. That's why you're losing 28 to 33% of your income right off the top. Okay? Right off the top. So we don't want that to happen to nobody. We want everybody to keep their money, but you're going to have to learn the chess game. There's some strategically, it's all about earning your money. It's not about your blood, sweat, and tears. We know we can earn money on our blood, sweat, and tears. It's all about strategic approach. And those are the ones who are not suffering financially. Work smarter, not harder. And we can do the same thing when it comes to earning money. So when it comes to Donald Trump and his tax return, listen, we can be mad at him all day long about it, and him only paying $700. Think about it. Let me do the math. What is $700 of $700 a year? Let me do that math. $700 a year. I'm gonna do divided by 12. He's only paying $62.50 every month. How much is coming out of your paycheck every month? Payday is coming Friday. You're going to have hundreds of dollars coming out of your paycheck for taxes. He only paying $62.50. Oh, and according to what is being reported, that he only paid $750. But the IRS tax transcript will dictate or determine how much he really paid. All right. I don't know what's been reported. I don't know what's fake news or real news. All right. But the IRS transcript will definitely, and that number came from the IRS transcript, then that's what he paid. All right. But just imagine if he only paid $750 in a calendar year. That's $62.50 every month. But you, as a working class member, a hard-working American, paying hundreds of dollars in taxes and making way less money than him. So y'all, it's all about ownership. Start owning a business. Now you're probably going to ask, what kind of business? Well, first of all, find a business that you're passionate with. All right. and start working it from the comfort of your home, because all of this stuff right here is a tax write-off for me every year, because I'm doing business out of my big boy / office. And I can write a portion of my utilities, my cable, my internet, my software. All right. Are you writing off your lifestyle expenses? Because see, that's what not only Trump, but all your other representatives that you voted in are doing the same thing. They the one who passed the laws. Those the one who wrote the laws. So you have to know that they are exercising the laws. So they're writing off their lifestyle. The question is, are you in position to write off your lifestyle? Timing and position is everything, which is a good segue to what I'm about to present to you next. All right. For those who have been following me for the past 2 to 3 months, I've been promoting a ground floor opportunity for those who want to get in the Forex space. This is a brand new company that just got started back in September of this, beginning of September this month. Beginning of September this month, this company just came or just had birth. Tonight, we're having a launch ceremony. And tonight, I'm going to be drinking and celebrating, because for the past 30 days, 29 days, we've been promoting this. We've been having a pre-launch to where if you want to get in the Forex space, learn Forex, but then help others learn Forex, you can get started with a pre-launch price of $20. Okay. Now, don't let the $20 fool you, because you get tremendous value from it. I'm not going to go through all the value of what you're going to get. All right. But I am going to tell you how much the potential money that you can make. Now, anybody follow me knows that in the opportunities that I'm in, I never, ever, ever talk compensation plan. Never. But I'm about to break that mold tonight, because I want to show you all the power of 3 and how you can earn additional income through commission. I ain't talking about you earning money becoming a Forex trader. This is in addition to, by helping others learn a trade or a skill to where they too can earn money in the market, but they also can have a business attached to it for the pre-launch price of $20. I started many business that was never ground floor, and I paid in essence of a startup price of $200 or more. This one here was $20, but I'm going to get this here is going to yield me a higher rate of return, because I'm getting started on the ground floor. Think about it. And I had this conversation with one of my business partners ain't been too long ago. Think about it. Think about Amazon when it first came online. Amazon stock right now is $3,000, but just imagine if you would have bought Amazon stock when it was $1. Now it's worth $3,000. See, when you bought it for $1, you was on the ground floor of a new beginning. Same thing with Microsoft. Same thing with any company that just got started. When you're there on the ground floor and you stay with it to an existence, then now you start gaining profit because you was there from the ground floor. I've never been part of a ground floor opportunity. No, typically when I get involved with opportunities, they've been in circulation for years. This one here just got started September. So there is no excuse about saturation. Okay? There is no excuse about saturation. This is a $6 trillion a day industry to where you're trading currency, not stocks and bonds. I don't know why people get crazy about this, but you're trading currency. All right. You You're just doing day trading at night. This how my other fraternity brother broke it down to me. You're just doing day trading at night. But you have the opportunity to start with a company that just got started September 1 for a small investment of $20, to where now you can start learning a skill to where you can earn money off of the education that you learn. And then if you decide that you want to help others do the same thing, you can exercise and leverage the business component of it to where you can get commissions. So you get money from commission from helping others, and then you get profits and dividends from trading in the market. You're getting two separate streams of income in one business opportunity. Brother Damon, I'll send you that link. Just bear with me. I'll send it to you. I don't think I never sent that to you from the beginning. I don't think we even talked about this, Brother Pryor. I don't think you and I talked about this opportunity. Oh wow. Okay. So all right. So I'll change that. Okay. I'll change that in the caption. So understand this, y'all. I want to show y'all something. Y'all know I'm going, for me to go out of my norm of how I promote things is you have to know there's something to this, because I'm all about giving value. Brother Pryor would tell you, anybody who follows me knows I'm all about giving out knowledge. I'm all about giving knowledge. But today, I'm breaking the mold because I saw the opportunity of earning income, exponential amount. I'm gonna show you for those who are in opportunities already. All right, whether you're already a forex trader with another company, whether you're in other home-based business opportunity, network marketing business, affiliate, or business opportunities where you're building teams. I want to show you something, and this what got my attention. All right. Yes, I'm going to learn the trade because that's what said is all about. I'm all about learning the skill set and putting another tool in my tool shed. All right. But I've never seen a comp plan such as this. And I'm about to share this with you. For those, I want you to do this. I want you to look at, for those who are team builders, I want you to take a look at the number of people that you have on your team. And I want you to look at this comp plan, and I want you to tell me, if you lift and shift the number of team members that you have in your current opportunity and put it over here, how much business income you'll be earning. I'm gonna show it to you. Give me a second. Okay. Now, here's the comp plan. I crossed out the company as far as who's the company. You can find out about the company when you click on the link. I just want to show you the comp plan. This is all about the power of 3. All you need is 3. And as you can see, you sponsor 3, you ain't got to sponsor nobody else after that. But look what happens. Let's say that you have 30 people on your team, for those who are builders. Look what happens, what you make in a week time span, $250 every week. Well, every month, that's $1,000 for those who have 30 people on their team. What if you had 80 people on your team? $500 a week, $2,000 a month. What can an extra $2,000 a month do for you? Let's look at this. For those who are big time builders, all right, 250 folks on your team, that's $5,000 a month. You're getting paid $1,250 every week, clockwork. If you got 500 folks on your team, 10,000 a month, 2,500 every week, from 500 to 1,000, from 1,000 to look, just look at the comp plan. I want you to look at what you're currently doing and whatever opportunity that you're in. Look at the number of people that you have on your team. Take that number, come over here and match it up with this comp plan and see how your earning potential that you can make over here as a Forex trader. And, or shall I say a epic independent business owner that provide Forex trading. Take a look at that. I will go to the bare minimum. What would an extra $500 a month do for you? For a lot, that for most people, that's a lot, particularly for those who are not working or those who are sitting back waiting for a stimulus check. Listen, they've been talking about writing and passing a stimulus check for a minute, but Trump got them all flustered. Trump got them all over the place. That stimulus check, ain't no telling when that stimulus check gonna come. But when you get it, it ain't gonna last long. It's just a one-time hit. After the stimulus check, what is going to be your source of income? You're gonna need to do something. And I say that something is business ownership. One, you take control of your potential earnings. Two, it puts you in a different tax system to where you get tax savings to where that business will allow you to write off your lifestyle. That's what the folks that you've been voted on or voted in, that's what they're doing. That's what they're doing. They are business owners as well as representatives. Every last one of your representatives, all the people that you voted on, they got a nonprofit organization and they got a business. There is no one up there that's just getting a government salary and living on a government salary by themselves. They won't be able to make it because they got two lifestyles. They got a lifestyle in DC and then they got a lifestyle in their home state. They would not be able to make it on a government salary. I know because I'm a government employee myself. You don't make a whole lot of money in public service. I'm trying to tell y'all, you don't make a whole lot of money in public service. Especially if you're sitting in a seat that you got voted in. You got two lifestyles. You got a lifestyle in DC and you got a lifestyle in your home state. So that means it takes money to have those two types of lifestyle. You're not going to be able to sustain it with just a government salary. So they got to do something else. And they all do something else. Why? Because they know how the laws work. They get a business and then they get a nonprofit organization and they use those two entities to build wealth. That's the game. That's the strategy. But what we want to do is we want to go out there and hustle and sweat and bust our ass trying to stay above water and still drowning. We trying to outwork the system through blood, sweat, and tears, and it's not going to happen that way, y'all. It's not going to happen that way. We're going to try to do it, but we're not going to succeed. I've tried it. Millions have tried it. The only way you're gonna outwork the system is you got to work the system. You got to use the system to your advantage. Do it ethically and morally, and you can build wealth. That's what I had to learn in the last 6 or 7 years. Because I thought what I was doing as a public servant, as a six-figure income earner public servant, I thought I should be on the road to building wealth. No, I wasn't. Because the more money that I made, the more money that they tax me. Don't let it fool you. The more money that you're going to make, the more money you're going to pay in taxes. But that's the tax game. So why not have a business alongside of what you're already doing? Take the business, lower your taxable income as a wage income earner, and then write off your lifestyle. Why you writing off your lifestyle? Get this money. Y'all ain't never heard me talk like this before. Y'all know there has to be something with this for me to talk money. I'm always giving value, but right now I'm talking the money game. For those who are network marketers, I don't care what you're in. I want you to take the number of people that you have on your team, and I want you to take that number, and I want you to look and see if you have that number on this compensation plan, how much money you'll be earning weekly and monthly. And if you're earning, here's what I tell you: if you're earning more than what you with the volume of team members that you have right now, an opportunity more than what you see right here, then you have a winning opportunity. But if not, here's a ground floor opportunity that you can get involved in. And I'm gonna go on the record to say this, because I don't know whether or not if this is part of your decision-making process or what have you, but this is a Black-owned business as well. This is a Black-owned business as well. Now, if that's something that goes, that's part of your decision making when you look at something, there it is. Okay, there it is. It may not be part of your business opportunity. I mean, your part of your decision. But I know what is part of your decision is all about making money. And I'm saying you can learn, you can get some education and get paid for learning. But you can also get paid for helping other people learn. That's what we're talking about. Iron sharpens iron. Okay. That's what we're talking about. Iron sharpens iron. You get 3 people to become a trader or a independent business owner. And then now your business, your monthly business, or the $100 a month to the education and training and all now becomes waived. Just 3 people. That's it. That's your only qualification. All right. Now, tonight or today is the last day. That's why you see last call for alcohol. Y'all know what that means. If you've been in the club before, that means the bar is about to close. All right. I've been sharing this for the past several weeks now about this pre-launch to where you can start this opportunity for $20. All right. $20. Okay. At midnight tonight, Eastern time, the system is going to flip, and then now the cost is going to $99 to get started. All right. Even at $99, there's still tremendous value. For what you're going to get, people who are in this space, the Forex space, they are paying in upwards of $700 to $1,000 to $2,000 for what you're going to get as far as education tools, resources, and things of that nature. They paying four-figure checks just to get this education to learn how to trade currency. But you're gonna have the opportunity to get to learn it for $100 a month. But if you get 3 people, if you sponsor 3 people, then now you don't have to pay, or the $100 a month is waived. So tonight we're doing a launch. The founder of this company is going to do a launch. We already did the pre-launch. Tonight we're gonna do a launch. You're more than welcome to join me, and I'll put the link I'll put the link to join the launch in this post. I'm gonna edit this post. I'm gonna change a few things. If you want to be a guest on this launch, you're more than welcome. But just remember, if you see value in it, you want to get started, you want to get started before 12 o'clock Eastern time. All right. 12 o'clock Eastern time is when the system is going to change and go to from $20 to $99. All right. Don't let a $20 decision put you in procrastination mode, because it doesn't take us 20 seconds to spend $20 on anything else. It doesn't. But a $20 investment in an asset that's going to give you ownership to where you can make extra money and write off your lifestyle. But most importantly, a $20 investment, you're investing in yourself, because you're going to get education to learn a skill that nobody can take away from you. And even if you don't even sponsor anyone, you can learn the skill to go earn money off your individual efforts from the education. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop sharing. Okay. So check this out. I'm going to put a few links, or there's a couple of links here, but I'm going to put several links here. I'm going to put a link to where you can join the webinar tonight, the launch webinar tonight. Also, I'm gonna put a link to where, if you're interested in joining, I'm gonna put the sign up link there. But then also, if you want to see something right off the rip, like a 10-minute video, like right now, I'll also have a link there to where you can go check it out. Okay, you don't have to inbox me or anything like that to ask for info. I really don't have time to even share links now, because of the fact I'm sitting back waiting for the launch. As a matter of fact, it's 7:29. I know the NBA finals are on. I'm trying to go watch the NBA finals myself. So I really don't have time to inbox anybody as far as how they can get started. I'm putting all that information right below this video. All right. I'm gonna need y'all to start following some directions. Okay. Follow some directions. Okay. If you want to get started, the link will be there. If you want some information, the link will be there. All right. If you want to join the webinar tonight, the link will be there. All right. This is yours truly, Cedric Jenkins, founder and creator of Your Money Matters. Your money matters because of the fact we get up each and every day to earn it. You have a God-given right to keep it. So let's keep more of our money so that we can start building wealth. Okay. Remember, let's not get too mad at Trump because he knew about the tax laws. Yeah, he might have done some erroneous or questionable write-offs, but he knew that the tax laws was at his disposal to go do those things. You can do the same thing too. Instead of us sitting back fussing at Trump doing that, let's put ourselves in a position to do it. But let's do it ethically and morally though. But the tax laws, see, the tax law whisper to us, but we don't have the listening ear. The tax laws are saying, oh, you want more money? Go get your business. And we'll start looking at you in a different light. See, right now they're looking at you as just a wage income earner. And there's no tax laws that support just a wage income earner. But when you become a business owner and you have ownership in something, then now you really got a voice. But you really, and that's not, I'm not saying that's right. I'm saying that's what it is. And it's not going to change because that's the tax laws. The tax laws are whispering, go get a business, go get a business. If you go get a business, I give you certain perks. I allow you to write off your lifestyle. You can go write off your bottle of Stella or wine, long as you're doing business. I'll let you write off your refrigerator, your television, your lights, your gas, your utilities, your portion of your mortgage, the gas you put in your car, your monthly car note. When you go traveling on the cruises and stuff, you can write that off. But you can't write it off if you're just a wage income earner. Only business owners and investors can do that. But you got to change up your jersey. But before you can change your jersey, you got to understand you got to change your game. Before you can change your game, guess what you got to do? You got to change your mind. You got to change your mindset. So that way you can change your habits. When you start changing your habits, you start changing your situation. So the question is, do you want change? You should want change in this hour. After seeing what I saw last night from that debate, you should want some change. If you don't want some change, then you got a dead spirit. So y'all, last call for alcohol. I'm going to be pouring me another glass tonight for this launch because we're going to be celebrating the launch. I got started in the pre-launch and now I'm ready for the launch because I brought some people along with me to get started, and we all going to learn and earn together. That's what it's all about. So if you want to learn and earn along with me and a community of folks, go to the link, the sign up link in this caption below this video, and let's get started. All right, let's get started. We'll holler at y'all later. Let me get off of here because I'm about to go watch the NBA championship. Who y'all for? Miami or LA? Who y'all for? Miami or LA? I'm hoping it'll be a good series, to be quite honest. I'm hoping it'll be a good series. I don't want to see no 4-0 or I want to see a dog series between the two. So I'm about to see whether or not if Miami and LA is going to be a good series. All right. But remember, y'all, ownership is the key to growing wealth, not wages. Not wages. All right. We'll holler at y'all later. Y'all be blessed. Look for the link below this video. All right. Talk to y'all later. Peace.